Introduction: a glimpse of traditional factories. With manual processes transitions to modern factories with automated machines. Welcome to the era of Industry 4.0. What is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 is the fourth industrial revolution, integrating cyber-physical systems, the Internet of Things, cloud computing, and cognitive computing. Role of IoT in smart factories: sensors collect data from machines, with data being sent to a centralized system, emphasizing real-time monitoring and decision-making. Reference architecture: Layer 1 of physical devices and controllers. Showcase various sensors, actuators, and machines. Layer 2A connectivity illustrates data flow through networks, including edge computing devices. Layer 3 data processing and action shows cloud servers, data analytics platforms, and decision-making algorithms. Layer 4 application and services highlight applications like predictive maintenance, quality assurance, and supply chain optimization. Layer 5E end users and business processes showcase factory managers monitoring dashboards, workers receiving real-time updates, and business leaders making informed decisions. Benefits of IoT in smart factories include increased efficiency and productivity, enhanced quality, reduced defects, predictive maintenance, leading to reduced downtimes and real-time monitoring. Conclusion: vision of the future with fully integrated smart factories. Embrace the future with IoT in Industry 4.0.